Good morning, grade 8 students. This is Miss Moni Assy. Today is March 13, 2020. We're going to continue the lesson 2 in chapter 3, a closer look at blood vessels. So please open your books to page 85. In this part of the lesson, we are going to identify the structures and the functions of capillaries and veins. We are also going to identify what causes blood pressure and explain what is blood pressure. To recap, blood vessels transport the liquid that is vital to our survival, which is called blood, and in our bodies we have three types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. In this section, we're going to go through capillaries and veins. What are capillaries? When blood leaves the artery, it flows in smaller blood vessels called the capillaries. The capillary walls are only 1 cell thick. They are made up of one layer of epithelial cells. Please look at figure 9, page 86 to see the structure of the capillary. Because of its structure, materials can pass easily from the capillaries to the cell. Such materials are oxygen and glucose. They pass from the blood to the cells, and cellular waste travel in the opposite direction, from the cells to the capillaries and into the blood in a process called diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is a process in which molecules pass from a higher concentration to a lower concentration. Knowing that glucose and oxygen are high concentrated in the blood and they are low concentrated in the cell, and vice versa, waste is high concentrated in the cell and low in the blood. After blood leaves the capillaries, they enter large blood vessels called veins, which carries blood back to the heart. The walls of the veins are also made of 3 layers, just similar to the arteries, but they are thinner. The 3 layers are the outer connective tissue, an inner layer of epithelial tissue, and smooth muscles. Please note that these are the same structure of the arteries, however, they are thinner. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the pressure that the blood exerts against the walls of the vessels while passing through them. The blood pressure is measured in a tool called sphygmonanometer, and it is expressed in millimeters mercury. As a conclusion, the network of tubes in which blood circulates or travels throughout the body are called blood vessels. We have 3 major types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Blood travels in the body through a network of vessels from the heart to the arteries, then back to the capillaries, and finally to the veins and back to the heart. As an assignment for next time, please study pages 85 to 89 from the book, do the assessment questions page 89, and check the slides below to highlight the required information on your books.